Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this sunflower keychain, this beautiful keychain. Please be till end of the video. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. See here I join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Here I make my slip stitch. Now because of joining first and the last stitch, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Now each time we will just remember, don't take that free end of the yarn in your stitches. Now each time we will pass our needle from that circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. So similarly we have to make 15 double crochet stitches. Each time we will pass our needle from inside that circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. If you want to refer how to make a double crochet stitch, I have placed already a tutorial for how to make a double crochet stitch. Link is already given in description. That tutorial is also with written instructions. Slow demonstration is given, so you'll understand it well. I'll just complete this 15 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. See, I've done with my 15 double crochet stitches. Okay, now I'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So that completes my middle part of my flower, sunflower. Okay, and just pull that free end of the yarn so like middle space is packed completely. Now we will be adding yellow yarn to our work. To add new yarn, we should have 2 loops on a needle, and we will now pull that yarn from both the loops. Now we will start the petal work. Okay, now we make 9 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with 9 chain crochet stitches, just skip the stitch which is next to the loop on the needle. Okay, and from first stitch we will start 1 slip stitch in first stitch, then 1 single crochet stitch in next stitch. Okay, then next stitch we will have we'll make 1 half double crochet stitch. Okay, after that in 3 continuous stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So it's like first stitch 1 slip stitch, second stitch it will be 1 single crochet stitch, third stitch it will be 1 half double crochet stitch, and in 4th, 5th and 6th, these 3 stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, and after that in 7th stitch we will make a half double crochet stitch. See, okay, then 8th stitch, see it's taking a petal shape, we will make a single crochet stitch. Okay, now in that brown part which will the next stitch we will make a slip stitch in next stitch, and again we will make 9 chain crochet stitches and start with another petal. Okay, so again process is going to be same. Skip the stitch which is next to the loop on the needle, then make a slip stitch in first stitch, second stitch make a single crochet stitch, third stitch make a half double crochet stitch, 4th, 5th and 6th stitch make a double crochet stitch, then in 7th stitch 1 half double crochet stitch, and 8th stitch 1 single crochet stitch, and we will join it with the next stitch with the slip stitch in brown circle. See, 8th stitch a single crochet stitch, and in brown circle in next stitch we will make a slip stitch, and again start with third petal. Repeat this pattern for complete brown circle. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So this is how it looks after completion. Now we will just take a last step, that is we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch in complete border of the petal, in each petal. See, we are making one slip stitch in each single stitch in complete border of the petal. Now when we reach topmost stitch, making slip stitch in each single stitch. Now in this, see here in topmost stitch we will make a slip stitch. Okay. Now after that we will make 2 chain crochet stitches, and in first stitch we will make a slip stitch again, and again we will start making one slip stitch in each single stitch in this side of the border. So we will do it till end. Same process. So same process we have to do for all the petals for complete flower. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Just remember the process. Make one slip stitch in each single stitch along both sides of the border, and whenever you reach top of the petal, make 2 chain crochet stitches and make a slip stitch in the first stitch, and again start with the next side, making one slip stitch in each single stitch till end of the petal. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, our petals overlap one above the other, so you need to place it properly. Okay, make one end come above other petal, so you have to do it all around, and just make a chain crochet stitch as long as you want. Join first and the last stitch with a slip stitch at end to join your keyring. That's it. So like see, I've just made a after completing whole flower, I've just made a chain crochet stitch, joined first and the last stitch, and attach keyring to it. So your keychain is ready. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. And if you have already subscribed, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. And as you can see, all are with written instruction. Quite simple explanation is given, so you will understand it good. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel and like, comment and share. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.